Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Ronaldo face meme on your TikTok video using the CAPCUT template. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So let me show you how to create this Ronaldo meme. So to create this Ronaldo meme video, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CAPCUT. CAPCUT is a free app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded CAPCUT, go back to your home screen, open up TikTok. Now here in the search, you're typing in meme do CR7 CAPCUT. And within the search results, you're looking for these type of videos that are doing the trend. So tap on it. Now within those videos, you're looking for this CAPCUT try this template button. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now load the template. So go ahead and tap on use template in CAPCUT. This will open up CAPCUT and will load the template again. Tap on use template. Now go ahead and insert a video or a photo. Then tap on preview. So if you now want to edit the text on this video, I would suggest don't do it here and do it on TikTok. So once you're happy with that, tap on export here, the top right. Then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will now export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now here you can add your text. And then use that text to cover up that text. Make sure you set the duration. So for text 1, set it only to until the first picture. Tap on the tick. Next. Enter in your text 2. Customize it. Then make sure this text appears when Ronaldo's face appears. And hide this EU. And there you go, you have created your very own Ronaldo meme video on TikTok. So that is how to create the Ronaldo face meme on your TikTok videos using the CAPCUT template. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.